everyone, I am Deepika. I'm a storyteller, video coach and a LinkedIn expert. I help coaches to master storytelling, videos and LinkedIn so that they can change the way they sell. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is LinkedIn, who is it for, how you can use it to grow your business, what you should be posting and how you can grow on the platform. Now, if you have never heard about LinkedIn before, then this video is for you. Just like any other social media platform, LinkedIn is also a social media, but it is especially for professionals. Like on Facebook, you can see that you have your family members, your friends. Of recently, Facebook is also a source of business for a lot of entrepreneurs. Just like that, you have Twitter where you give updates, you have Instagram where you post videos, pictures and everything. But LinkedIn is a little bit different from all of this. Now, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media, like I said, but only for professionals. You have all kind of working professionals on the platform. LinkedIn, when initially was launched, was used only by people to find jobs for themselves. But over the recent years, it has changed into something more bigger. Now, people like me who run their own business post content there to find leads for my business and close business. It is also for B2B, like business to business, but also for B2C, that is business to customers. I find my direct customers there, but there are a lot of agencies who also contact me for my services. So this is what LinkedIn is. If you are a business owner, if you're trying to find your job, or you just want to gain network of people who are really influential, you should be on LinkedIn. So what kind of people can really be there on LinkedIn? If you are a service provider like me, if you are selling physical products, if you're looking for a new job, or if you have your own talk show or podcast and you're looking for guests, if you're trying to meet industry leaders, all of these people can be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn really helps you to up your business game. Of recently, what people have been doing is they also include their LinkedIn profile in the emails on other social media platforms. You don't have to tell people what you're doing. You can just send them your LinkedIn profile and they will have a rough idea about it. Now, how can you use LinkedIn to grow your business? I think before that, I'll tell you what you can post and how you can grow on LinkedIn, and then I'll tell you how you can use it for your business. So what you should be posting on LinkedIn? There are two formulas that you can use for this. The first one is start with what you already know. Like I am a storyteller. I teach people how to create their own stories. I also help people to create videos. So I can create content around these two topics and start posting on LinkedIn. That way I will have a fair idea of what my audience is liking and what they're not liking. The second formula is you can go to LinkedIn and let's suppose you are a graphic designer. So you can go and connect with graphic designers on LinkedIn and see what kind of post they are doing. And then you can create a similar kind of outline for your content strategy. So that is what you should be posting when it comes to content. Now the most important part, how can you grow on LinkedIn? Now if you're just a beginner, there are 5 things that you should keep in mind in your profile. So the minute you go on LinkedIn, you have to create a profile. So the first thing is you need to have a professional looking display picture. What I mean by that is that click a photo of yourself looking in front of the camera with a bold background. You can also create one in Canva software. It is free. The second is LinkedIn also has a cover image just like Facebook. So update that. The third one is include your bio related to your industry. If you are a graphic designer, or let's suppose you are a video editor like me or video creator like me, you can put that. So it's really important that you put bio so that people understand what you're doing or what your business is about or who you are. The fourth important thing is your about section. LinkedIn gives you fair amount of space to write who you are and what you do. And the fifth and the most important, if you're a beginner and you don't have work experience and let's suppose you're looking for a job, then put about your education stuff. But if you are a business person and if you're looking for more leads, then talk about all the projects that you have done till date. So that is how your profile should be if you're on LinkedIn and if you're a beginner. Now, how do you grow on LinkedIn? Just like any other platform, this is also a social media first. You have to be social on LinkedIn. What I mean by that is you have to go and engage with people there. You have to tell them what you liked about their post. There are so many people who post repeat content, but there are very few people who are original creators. Try to find those kind of creators and engage with them heavily. Let them know that there is a new person on LinkedIn and you want to connect with them. Now what happens is once you start engaging with people, they will come back to your profile to see who you are. If they like your bio, your profile picture, your about section, they will send you a connection request. This way what will happen is you will start expanding your network. Now the last and the most important thing is, how can you generate leads for your business on LinkedIn? The thing is, LinkedIn is a platform where you showcase your talent, your expertise, your authority. You tell people why they should hire you. You tell people that what knowledge you have, what expertise you have. And that is what you should be doing there. So create content. There is one more option on LinkedIn called articles, where you can write block form, like really long form of content. Write that, engage with people and post your expertise each day. What I do is I try to post every 2 days, because now I have a little bit fair amount of people who are engaging with my content. So I post every 2 days. If you're just starting out, I would suggest post once a day, between in the morning from 9 a.m. to afternoon 12, because that's when the audience is really active. So how do you grow this? So by putting your content and by engaging. Once your name starts going out, you can give them a free discovery call in the beginning, get testimonials from them, and then start using those testimonials to get paid clients. So I hope this video was able to give you a fair amount of idea of what LinkedIn is, how you can grow on LinkedIn, what profile you should create, how you should engage, and how you can generate leads for your business. If you have more questions regarding LinkedIn, just comment below, or you can reach out to me. My Instagram handle is Deepika Shah. So I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again.